studied English grammar for years, from elementary school, from high school, and even college, but still couldn't speak English after college. So I thought about this. I was thinking what was the problem, and I found out that the problem was I was not practicing my speaking skills. I was only improving my grammar skills and reading skills. And we were not reading real English. We were reading textbooks in schools. That started from elementary, high school, and college. It didn't really help me get real English. So those are the reasons why I couldn't speak English after college. So what I did was I actually consumed real English, conversational English. So I started reading easy books. So like I said in my previous video, I started reading children's books, which is actually easy to understand. And the books are non-fictions. The books are fictions, so there's a lot of dialogues or real English in those children's books. And then I moved to reading teens books, and now I'm actually reading adult books. But I'm still learning a lot of vocabulary. So what I'm doing, if I come across a difficult word, I actually look it up right away and just understand what it means. But going back to improving my speaking skills, so I found out that in order to improve my speaking skills, I actually need to speak. So I started looking for a opportunity where I can practice my English. And that's when I started looking for applications online. And the application that I found is Free for Talk, FREE, number 4, Talk. So in this application, you can create groups or you can join groups, and you can talk to other people from all around the world. So this approach was actually helping me improve my speaking skills. So all of these, like reading books, listening to podcasts, watching movies, will help your speaking skills a bit. But in order to actually speak English, you have to speak the language itself. So you can read books if you want, but you have to prioritize using English. So you have to try to practice English on a daily basis if you can. So that's why I think the app that I mentioned is really helpful. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.